I'm very happy to introduce you today to the products of my students of the 5th semester, which is their first project in product design. Here we wanted to have a very flexible object which could be combined and could be changed, but the most important thing, it should be a tiny little object.
I'm quite thrilled, actually, to tell you the truth. I did not expect that, especially when the sophomore year, but quite promising and inspiring. And I can see the positive energy in the place, and that's most important, especially now.
The students really worked really well this semester, and they produced amazing stools. So far, they've been through a lot to actually come up with the outcome, and they went through a huge process of design to achieve what they have done. And we're really proud with the outcome, and they have a lot of chances to actually produce this and put it in the market soon.
This furniture design course, we were required to design 2 different stools, one heavy and one light. Each one is inspired from different things that surround us. For example, this is inspired from basic shapes that surround us in general, and this is inspired from different waves that you see every day in nature.
We were asked to make the heavy stool and light stool. For the heavy one, we thought of making something dynamic, okay? And the dynamic, we used the color red and to make it pop and to make it strong. And for the light one, we were inspired by the baby chairs.
Heavy bench, we got inspired by a Porsche, the car. It has the dynamic shape.
The light bench is made out of straight lines and different basic shapes. Our target group was kids, so it can make it easy for kids to sit beside each other.
Our stools, the concept behind يعني إن تبقى الshapes abstract shapes. الهافي one من massive wood. التاني اللايت stainless steel. وفي spaces عشان يبين إن هو خفيف قوي، بس هو stable لأن إحنا عملنا cover عليه بالwool.
This is me and my partner's furniture design final. So we made two stools, a light one and a heavy one, and I'll talk about the light one. We had to finalize something 3D. So we thought it's best to make it like kind of a block. It looks like an A or a W.
This stool is basically it's bulky to show it's heavy, even if it's lighter. It's easy to carry. It's inspired from the sailors and the ropes.
Final project was about doing a stool, a heavy one and a light one. In the early beginning, I was inspired by doing it from geometric shapes that came from the base and going up in the top view. Both of them, I was very keen about doing them both from the same family, so they have the same pattern from the up, but they're a little bit different. They're like the negative of each other. Like the light one is very hollow and light, and the other one is bulky, but they have the same pattern.
البروجكت بتاعنا في furniture design كان اننا نديزاين light stool و heavy stool. اول واحد هنا الكونسبت ده احنا كنا inspired من النيتشر، وكنا بنفكر ان ازاي الماونتنز بتكون ورا بعضها it looks faded وزي واحنا ماشيين في الطرق واحنا مسافرين وكده. وبعدين في اللايت ستول حاولنا ندخل الويفز بتاعت السي والموفمنت نفسها عشان يحسسنا ان هو قاري وان هو بيتحرك.